Our next site was a photo opportunity at the Bahá'í Gardens, which was about a 6-minute drive from the monastery.
There are three entrance points. The main entrance is open Tuesday to Sunday. The Shrine of Baba and the inner gardens are open from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., and the outer shrine gardens are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The balcony is open Sunday to Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., and they are closed on Baha'i Holy Days and Yom Kippur. The third entrance of the German Colony Plaza viewpoint is temporarily closed. Times are subject to change, so always recheck operating times prior to planning a visit.
The Bahá'í Gardens in the Shrine of Bab, also located on Mount Carmel in Haifa, is considered one of the holiest places on earth for the Baha'i faith. It consists of 19 terraces leading up the northern slope of Mount Carmel, with a radiant golden domed shrine at its summit. It is said that the terraces represent the Bab and his first 18 disciples. The Bab, the founder of the faith, is buried within the shrine. The shrine and the meticulously landscaped gardens harmoniously integrate symbols meaningful to the Baha'i faith. For those eager to delve deeper into the spiritual and architectural marvels of the site, complimentary tours of the upper terraces lasting approximately 50 minutes are available from Tuesdays to Sundays. Interested individuals can secure their spots through online reservations.
Here are some important notes about visiting and going on a free tour of the gardens.
Please wear clothing that covers your shoulders and reaches your knees with no tears. Because of the pebbled paths and occasionally slippery pavements, they recommend wearing comfortable shoes with good traction. During the summer months, consider bringing a hat and sunscreen.
Visitors are welcome to bring their own bottle of water, but drinking other beverages, eating, chewing gum, and smoking are not allowed inside the gardens.
For the safety of other visitors, the use of a stroller is not possible on tours due to the steep slope.
Finally, restrooms are not available during the tour of the gardens.